You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Guys, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video, we are going to take a close look at the Dragon Ball Super Tech Fighters. I picked it up for around 30 euros second hand, or I bought it like in a complete kit. And I'm curious like if they already displayed it or just brand new. I basically bought it second hand in my opinion, but some are just in still good or sealed condition. The box itself looks a little bit flimsy, but that doesn't like need to spoil the fun, because this Dragon Ball Super is going to be like a freaking epic super duper maybe figure. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Don't know, whatever, let's go. Alright, so let's take a close look in the inside. What are we going to get? So this is going to be in the collection. This is going to be also in the collection. And let's see, we need to disassembly, or an assembly, sorry, assembly. Oh, yeah, brain fart, baby. So this is more like a diorama, but unfortunate, I only have Vegeta on the moment. So that's what we're going to do. It's already been sealed, so that means it didn't display this one. So I'm also going to display it like a single character. I think I also did a video about the Bardock and Son Goku. It's the same lineup that we have seen before. I was very pleased with that one. So let's see how this one will look. If this is going to be any good, or is this going to be the same stuff that we have seen before. And maybe in the future we can check out if we find Goku, so we can make the complete kit. That would be very cool to pose them in diorama. Alright, so let's see how to put it in. Okay, it's an interesting mold. Alright, that fits in perfectly without any hassle. Alright, so let's stick this thing in. This most of the time the biggest problem. Oh man. Alright. So when you're having like the diorama, you need to use left and right, but we're just going to use the middle one because we're only having like one figure. So what I don't like about this is that, okay, I just said it, but I think I had a brain fart over here. Wait. Yeah, I had a brain fart. Sorry, yeah guys, I got a brain fart. Oh, absolutely got a brain fart. I was thinking you only need to use that one, but that's not true. So we can choose this way or another way. It's kind of weird. But the thing is, let's display it like this. Displaying only Vegeta looks wrong. The other side looks kind of weird if you ask me. But when you're looking at the quality, you will not be disappointed. What I always find quite interesting when it comes to these figures is the way how they painted the hair. They went a completely different approach with this one. So normally you have like metallic and all kinds of versions, but it's more like this very nice glossy. You do see like the line over here, which I find a little bit of a bummer to be honest. And it feels that it is going to be like a lesser quality that I've seen before. Not a deal breaker whatsoever, but it's something that I find quite annoying. Another thing is pretty damn awesome with this figure is the face, what you can see over here. The quality of the paint job is absolutely cool. And they did just an amazing job with that. But when you're looking at the overall quality, including his body, it looks absolutely amazing. Sometimes they mess it up when it comes to the skin, or for example when it basically like pops out of his clothing. But with this, it's absolutely no worries. And in combination with the full figure, it's absolutely fucking awesome. Yeah, the only thing I already mentioned is the hair. I'm not the biggest fan of that, but beside that, it's just a freaking awesome piece to have in your collection. But yeah guys, so this is the thing that we're going to review today. I don't have Goku, otherwise I would add it to it and make like a diorama video. For now, I must say like I don't like the height of this. Like they need to lower it so it don't take up a lot of space, but that's more like my opinion. I would need to get myself the Goku, because this feels like an incomplete diorama or statue or figure, how you want to call this. I want to thank you for watching, consider subscribing, hit the little bell, become one of the Wicked family, and it would be great to see you in the next video.